Good day, dear my students. You are welcome to my distance. I am Kubayeva Zh.Zh from Uralsk School number 46. Module number 2, lesson number 1. The theme of the lesson, controversial issues. Learning objectives of the lesson. 10.1.9. Use imagination to express thoughts, ideas, experiences, and feelings. 10.3.1. Use formal and informal language registers in talk on a wide range of general and curricular topics. Today we'll speak about controversial issues. Let's discuss about it. David Orr said, "When we heal the S, we heal ourselves." So today we'll speak about homelessness, unemployment, endangered species, pollution, landfills full of rubbish, property. Look at this diagram and think about controversial issues. So, which are social problems? And which are environmental problems? Let's divide these words: property, homelessness, unemployment, pollution, endangered species, landfills full of rubbish. Now, which are social problems? Yes, you are right. Property, homelessness, unemployment. They are social problems. Okay, and which are environmental problems? Yes, you're right. Pollution, landfills full of rubbish, and endangered species are environmental problems. Very nice. Let's talk about controversial issues. A landfill site, also known as a tip, dump, rubbish dump, garbage dump, or dumping ground, is a site for the disposal of waste materials. Landfill is the oldest and the most common form of waste disposal. Although the systematic burial of the waste with daily, intermediate, and final covers only begin in 1940s. Property. There are three broad forms of property. They are private property, public property, and collective property. Unemployment. Unemployment is measured by the unemployment rate, which is the number of people who are unemployed as a percentage of labor force. Homelessness. Homelessness is defined as living in housing that is below the minimum standard or lacks secure tenure. People can be categorized as homeless if they are living on the streets, moving between temporary shelters, including houses of friends, family, and emergency accommodation, living in private boarding houses without a private bathroom or security of tenure. What is environmental problems? And what is social problems? Environmental problem, a change in the environment as a result of human impacts that leads to disruption of the structure and the functioning of natural systems and leads to negative social, economic, and other consequences. And what is social problems? Lifestyle conflict, women in politics, homeless people, unemployment, and etc. Let's think about it. Let's do the task. Exercise number 1. Complete the newspaper extracts with the words below. Which of problem in exercise number 1 is each about? Packaging, household waste, volunteers, accommodation. Complete the newspaper, please. Thank you. Which of the problems in exercise number 1 is the most serious in your country? Social problems. Which is the most serious social problems in our country? And what is the most serious environmental problems in our country? Write down, please. Let's conclude our lesson. Feedback. Where are you? You can see ladder. Think. Where are you? What have you learned at the lesson? Good. So, your home task. Exercise number 1, page number 10 from workbook. Read the blog post. 4 questions from 1 to 5. Choose the correct letter. Thank you for your attention. You are so active today. Goodbye.